Dear students, question is when acetylene gas is passed through red hot iron tube, it trimerizes into benzene vapors. If the average molar mass of vapors coming out through the tube is 50, calculate the degree of trimerization of acetylene. स्टूडेंट्स इस क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि अगर हम एसिटाइलिन गैस को रेड हॉट आयरन ट्यूब से पास करते हैं तो वो ट्राइमराइज होके बेंजीन वेपर्स फॉर्म करती है और जो मिक्सचर निकलेगा ट्यूब से बाहर गैसियस का तो उसमें एसिटाइलिन और बेंजीन दोनों गैस रहेंगे तो उनके लिए एवरेज मोलर मास गिवन है 50 और हमें कैलकुलेट करना है कि एसिटाइलिन के ट्राइमराइजेशन के लिए डिग्री ऑफ ट्राइमराइजेशन क्या है। ठीक है, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द रिएक्शन दैट इज 3 moles of C2H2 trimerizes to form 1 mole of C6H6. So at T is equals to 0, we have 1 mole of C2H2 and 0 moles of benzene. So at T is equals to infinity, we have 1 minus alpha. Alpha is degree of trimerization and the moles of benzene becomes alpha by 3. And the average molar mass of vapors is given as, so average molar mass of mixture of vapors is equals to, that is molar mass of C2H2 into moles of C2H2 plus molar mass of C6H6 into moles of C6H6 divided by total moles, that is moles of C2H2 plus moles of C6H6. So we have value for average molar mass of mixtures, that is 50, is equals to molar mass of C2H2 is 26 and the moles of C2H2 is 1 minus alpha plus molar mass of C6H6 is 78 plus moles into moles alpha by 3 divided by total moles 1 minus alpha plus alpha by 3. After solving these, we get 50 minus 100 alpha by 3 is equals to 26. After further solving these, we get 100 alpha is equals to 3 into 24 and from these we get the value of alpha is equals to 0.72 and alpha is the degree of trimerization. Degree of trimerization of acetylene. And this is the final answer. Thank you.